Hello guys, so this is Machine from Cars Experts. This is quick movie for a CLS 55 AMG. That's the nice one. So to remove I want to show you how to remove the windshield. Mine was pretty damaged due to probably some hot climate. The rubber here was completely damaged, so I bought the used one, but in very good condition. So you need to remove 4 screws. These are the plastic screws, like clips. You have to remove them by pulling them up. It's here and here, and then you need to, of course, remove the wipers. So I'm using just to show you, I'm using this kind of simple tool. You can buy it, I think, everywhere. It's really nothing complicated. So then yeah, that's about the windshield. So it's pretty simple operation, I would say. Here you have a rubber pipe, which I will need to put it here back. It is very important, otherwise the water will go here, so you don't want to have it. And then here I disassembled. Yeah, it was like this. Okay, so I had to disassemble the cabin filter. So it's only one screw here. You have one screw here, and then you are pulling up, and then the cabin filter is here. So it's very easy to replace it. Yeah. Unfortunately, my hook was damaged by some previous owner. And then here we have the AUX battery. So that's maybe important. Sometimes it is confusing where is located the AUX battery. So in CLS 55 and maybe other variants as well, the AUX battery is located here. So when you have the issues with seat memories, mirrors position, every time when you switch off the car, you lock it, then after one day you come back and nothing is remembered. So you need to again set up the mirrors, the clock, the seats position. That can be an issue with your AUX battery. So here you will find it. So it's on the passenger side. Pretty simple to go into it. Of course, you don't need to remove the windshield. It's just to remove the cabin filter, and then you are here. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.